Are your Wise transfers stuck? Or is your Wise card suddenly not working and you're thinking about sending the payment again? Before you do anything, stop for a moment, because retrying too quickly during a system issue can actually lead to duplicate charges or multiple transfers. This exact situation happened during the March 19th, 2026 Wise incident, where users experienced delays, failed payments, and card issues at the same time. In this video, I'll show you the safest way to check what's really happening, track your transfer properly, and avoid making a costly mistake. What this video will fix. In this guide, we're not just fixing a transfer stuck problem. We're helping you understand whether the issue is coming from Wise itself, your bank, or your card. Many users panic and retry payments immediately, which can create duplicate transactions if the original one is still processing in the background. We'll go step by step, first checking Wise's system status, then using the built-in transfer tracker, and finally understanding when to wait versus when to contact support. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear checklist to follow so you can act safely without risking extra charges. Step 1. Check the Wise status page first. The very first thing you should do is check whether Wise is currently experiencing a system issue. Open your browser and search for the Wise status page, which shows real-time updates about transfers, card payments, and system performance. If there is an ongoing incident, you'll see warnings about delays or outages affecting transfers or card usage. This is important because if Wise is already having issues, retrying your transaction won't fix it, and may actually make things worse. Always start here before doing anything else. It's the fastest way to confirm whether the problem is on your side or Wise's side. Step 2. Use the transfer tracker inside Wise. Next, open your Wise app or website and go to your transfer activity or transaction history. Tap on the specific transfer that appears stuck or delayed. Wise provides a transfer tracker which shows exactly where your money is in the process. For example, it may say processing, sending, or waiting for bank confirmation. Each status gives you a clue about what's happening. If the transfer is still progressing even slowly, it's usually best to wait. The tracker is your most reliable source of truth for whether the payment is moving forward or truly stuck. Step 3. Card issue versus transfer issue. How to tell. It's important to understand whether you're dealing with a card problem or a transfer problem, because the solution is different for each one. If your Wise card is not working at a store or online, but your transfers are fine, then the issue is likely related to card authorization, limits, or temporary outages. In this case, checking the status page and your card settings is the best approach. On the other hand, if your card works but your transfers are delayed or stuck, then the issue is likely within the transfer system or bank processing stage. Identifying this difference helps you avoid unnecessary troubleshooting steps. Step 4. When not to resend the payment. This is the most important part of the entire video. If Wise is experiencing delays or your transfer shows as processing, do not resend the payment immediately. Many users make the mistake of retrying because they think the first attempt failed. However, during system delays, the original transfer may still go through later. Sending another transfer can result in duplicate payments, which can take time to recover. Only resend a payment if the transfer is clearly marked as failed or canceled inside the Wise app. If it's still pending or processing, it's safer to wait. Step 5. Confirm with your bank. If your transfer is stuck for an extended period, it's a good idea to check your bank account. Look for whether the money has already been deducted or is still pending. If the amount has been deducted but the transfer is still processing, it usually means the payment is already in progress. In this case, sending another transfer is not recommended. If the money was never deducted, then the transfer may not have started properly and you can consider retrying carefully. Step 6. What to prepare before contacting support. If the issue continues and you need to contact Wise support, make sure you have the right information ready. This includes your transfer ID, transaction details, amount, and timestamps. Having this information helps support teams quickly locate your transaction and provide accurate updates. Without it, the process may take longer. Also, explain clearly whether the issue is with a transfer or a card, as this helps direct your request to the correct support team. Before taking any action, follow this simple checklist. First, check the Wise status page to see if there's a system-wide issue. Second, open the transfer tracker and confirm the current status of your payment. Third, verify whether the issue is related to your card or a transfer. Fourth, avoid resending payments unless the original one has clearly failed. Fifth, confirm with your bank if the money has already been deducted. And finally, contact support only after gathering all necessary detail. To recap, when Wise transfers or card payments stop working, the safest approach is to check the status first, track the transfer, and avoid retrying too quickly. Most issues during incidents are temporary, and taking the wrong action can create bigger problems like duplicate transactions. If this video helped you handle your Wise issue safely, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Tech Fix Guides for more real-world troubleshooting guides. And in the comments, tell me what your transfer status shows right now. It might help others in the same situation.